How to add a live stream link to your deceased loved one's memorial so that family and friends can follow the funeral service online. So with this phase, you start by opening your memorial dashboard, and then once you open it, you navigate to the night section, which is the live stream section. So this is where you can connect your memorial to a live video stream from your preferred platform. So here you open the streaming platform you are using, whether it's Facebook Live, Zoom, or any other random streaming service. So you copy the link of the streaming service and then you paste it right here in this space. So after doing that, you make sure the link you provide is correct and then publicly accessible so viewers can join without facing any issues. So once the link is added, all you need to do is to click on the Save Live Stream button. So the live stream button will now appear on the memorial page for visitors to click. So once the funeral is taking place, any visitor who has access to your deceased loved one's memorial can click on the live stream link. That's after you input a live stream link here. They can click on it on our main page. So in case your live stream link changes or you want to remove it after the service, you can return back to this section. So you return back to the live section and then you remove it or delete, or if you want to make an update to it, you do that. Yeah, so basically that's how to add and manage a live stream link on Ghana Memorial. It's that simple. I currently do not have a streaming link, but once you go live, if a funeral is taking place, you copy the link and then you paste it right here at this section. Click on the save button and then your live stream will now appear on the main memorial page. So once it appears there, people who visit the memorial can watch the funeral live. Thank you for watching.